Hi everyone, I'm Jennie. I introduce you some K-foods. Today's food is fried ramen with vegetable and sausage. Few days ago, I saw this menu on TV. We have a program. The name is Fun-Staurant. So some actor and actress and they make some food and new food. So this one, I think that is good introduce to you. So today I will make that noodle. The ingredients are the ramen and some sausage and this paprika or bell pepper and onion and for sauce the ketchup and some syrup and oil. Okay, first I will cut some vegetables. This bell pepper, cut, and today I prepare the red one and yellow one and green one. So one of the actor introduced this food, and he made this food for his midnight snack. So if you have any vegetables in your refrigerator, and use them. Okay, and now yellow one. The same size of a red pepper. And green one. Okay, here just before I make the water boiling. So because of you cook this ramen. So when the water is boiling, you put the noodles. Okay, it needs some time, so leave it. And I will cut onion. Okay. So the vegetables are ready. And if you have some mushrooms or carrot and anything in your refrigerator, and use them. And then this is a sausage. I'll make a cut. Like this. You make a cut. Okay, ready? And then after that, I will fry all together and step by step. And now I'll make some sauce. And there's a soup, ramen soup inside the ramen. But I will use the half a bag of this soup. So now this is ketchup. But today I'll bring some jalapeno ketchup. Maybe a little bit spicy one. Okay. And 2, 4, 5 tablespoons, maybe. If you make one bag of noodles and 5 spoons. If you 2 and 8 or 10, something. And this syrup. This is a Korean plum syrup, but if you don't have this one, you can use maple syrup or any corn syrup is okay. So 3 spoons and mix And I need some pepper. And here, you put some pepper. Maybe 2 pinch of pepper. Okay, mix it. Alright. This noodle is, I think, is ready. But you just cook about 70% of cooked this noodle. You don't need to completely cook the noodle because after that we fry with the vegetables and all together. I think it's ready. And this I will drain the water. Okay. And here the last step, we fried it. This is a fried noodle. So, and here we need some oil, cooking oil. First, I will fry this sausage. Sausage takes time to cook more than vegetables. So, it's better to stir fry this sausage. You see, I just people make the cuts middle of the sausage. When it's well cooked, the cut it starts like this. Okay, and this time you put vegetables. The first onion. Okay, and here bell pepper all together. And actually we have the very common menu, soya 볶음. Soya 볶음 is this kind of stir-fried menu. So is sausage, ya is 야채, vegetable. So we call soya 볶음. Okay, the bell pepper it doesn't need much time to cook. And now I will fry the noodles. So in the middle of the pan, you put the noodle, ramen, put here. And here, you remember the sauce? You pour the sauce. First, you fried noodle with sauce. And, oh, yes, I forgot the soup. So a little bit, this half a bag of soup. Okay. And mix all together. Because of the syrup and this menu, these foods, the little bit taste is sweet and not really salty. So in Korean word, 단짠. We really like that. So try this one. Okay, it's ready to serve. I will put on the plate. If you like sesame seeds, my taste, I love sesame seeds, so I will put some sesame seeds if you have. Okay, wait, I will. Now it's ready to eat. So this one is, why don't you try when you have your beer at midnight? So with beer, this is for midnight snack together. Eat together. Try this one. Okay, next time I will introduce another good new menu, K-Foods. Okay, see you next time. Bye.